Hi, I am Florence Mayfair, and welcome to Mayfair Astrology, where we decode the universe and reveal its cosmic secrets. This is your Aries horoscope for May 2025, a month of financial growth, strategic planning, and renewed energy as the stars align to help you take action and expand your resources. Before we begin, I have something special for you. Download my free guide, 12 Rituals to Harness the Power of the Moon, plus the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner to help you align with the cosmic rhythms. The link is in the description below. Let's explore the wisdom of the stars together. Your astrological journey begins now. Let's dive in. May puts a strong focus on finances, personal values, and confidence in your decision-making. With Mars, your ruling planet, moving into Leo on May 16th, you'll regain boldness, leadership energy, and creative drive. The new moon in Taurus on May 19th helps you build long-term financial stability, set career intentions, and prioritize personal security. With Jupiter entering Gemini on May 25th, expect a major shift toward learning, networking, and expanding your social influence over the coming year. New moon in Taurus, May 19th. A fresh start in finances, self-worth, and stability. This is an ideal time to set long-term financial goals, negotiate better earnings, or realign personal values. Mars in Cancer until May 16. Leo after May 16. Before May 16, your focus is on home, emotions, and personal security. After May 16, Mars in Leo boosts your confidence and drive, making it a powerful time for personal projects and leadership roles. Jupiter enters Gemini May 25. A major shift toward mental expansion, learning, and networking. You might explore new skills, travel opportunities, or exciting intellectual pursuits. Career and finances. May revolves around financial restructuring and long-term planning. The new moon in Taurus on May 19th encourages practical financial decisions and may bring new job opportunities or investments. With Jupiter entering Gemini on May 25th, expect opportunities related to writing, speaking, education, or sales. Best dates for career and financial success. May 19th, new moon in Taurus, financial planning and career alignment. May 25th, Jupiter in Gemini, expansion in networking and professional opportunities. Relationships. With Venus in Gemini until May 24th, communication in relationships is playful, engaging, and intellectual. If single, you may meet someone through social circles, learning environments, or travel. After May 24th, Venus in Cancer shifts love energy toward emotional security and deeper connections. Best days for love. May 11 to 13, Venus trine Pluto, deep romantic conversations and transformative emotional growth. May 24th, Venus enters Cancer, more emotional, heartfelt connections. Health and well-being. With Mars in Leo after May 16th, your physical energy and motivation increase. This is the perfect time to start a new fitness routine, engage in physical challenges, or embrace outdoor activities. Best days for success. May 16th, Mars enters Leo, confidence, leadership, and personal motivation increase. May 19th, new moon in Taurus, ideal for financial planning and stability. May 25th, Jupiter enters Gemini, expansion in knowledge, learning, and social circles. What to avoid. May 20, Mars square Jupiter, watch out for overconfidence, reckless risks, or burnout. May 24 to 27, Saturn retrograde begins, reflect on long-term discipline and emotional patterns. May 2025 invites Aries to focus on financial security, career goals, and personal confidence. With Mars moving into Leo and Jupiter shifting into Gemini, this is a time for bold action and strategic planning. Want to dive deeper? Download the 2025 Digital Moon and Astrology Planner for free, using the link in the description to align your actions with the cosmic cycles. Thank you for watching, and until next time, keep looking to the stars.